Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are having a great day. If you have been paying attention to the crypto market after the flash crash which we received about 48 hours ago, the market has made a little bit of recovery in the last 24 hours. But if we talk about meme tokens specifically, it has been consolidating and so is Dogecoin. But if we do talk about the trading volume, it's still well over the 3 billion threshold and the market cap is sitting directly in middle of Cardano and XRP. Now the liquidations are going crazy in the last 24 hours, 8 million. There's a lot of whale movement and at the same time a big rally yet to happen. Before we get into all of this, if you guys are here for the first time, you want to stay up to date with everything to do with Dogecoin, scroll down, tap the red subscribe button. While you're there, slap a like on the video. It'll just update YouTube algorithm, push the video to more people. More people see the positive side of Doge, they decide to buy into it. It starts spiking up, all of us make a lot of profit. Just keep in mind, getting the whales excited and they buy in is probably the best way to get the token pumping, and the best way to get the attention of the whales is get more social engagement, and that happens for every single crypto. I do want to mention something important though. If you pay attention to Dogecoin, you can see the trading volume is down about 12%, but it's still the 7th most traded crypto in the whole entire world, so it is doing pretty well. And if we talk about the price action, you can see after the flash crash and it just dropped just below the 18-cent mark, we were able to make a recovery and now we're sitting on a consolidation zone. If I put it in 1 hour, it will give you more perspective. As you can see from the last 24 hours after the big crash, we made a recovery and now we're just consolidating. If we're able to consolidate in the zone in the time that Bitcoin makes a little bit of recovery, this would be the perfect time to cash in and at the same time buy in a lot of Dogecoin. If you do want to get into leverage trading at this point, well, there is a platform that you guys should use. It's called Margex. If you have never heard of it, you do not need KYC, you do not need anything relating to your identification. Also, you can get up to 100 leverage if you do want to. I would personally say be careful if you're leverage trading. At the same time, when you make the first $100 deposit, you will be getting another $100 to cover your fees when you are trading on this platform. You simply just need to click on Dogecoin, set the 25x. If you want to go to 100x, you can simply set that order price and click on buy, and then your order will be placed. Now if you do want to do it, the link will be in the description. Use my code and you guys will get a little bit extra discount. Now at this point, I do want to mention, when it comes to Dogecoin, it's really important to pay attention to the open interest, because the open interest actually gives you a lot of perspective. First of all, you can see right now the open interest is 1.3 billion, which is insane. 500 million of that is coming from Binance and 400 million from Bybit. Those are the two big whales which are actually helping us pump up. Now the open interest is down by 5%. Why? Because the liquidations has caused a lot of people to lose a lot of money and not be able to hold on to their positions. You can see that just in the last 24 hours, nearly $8 million have been lost by a lot of people. Now talking about the long and the short, you can see it's still favoring the long traders for a very long period of time. I mean 75% to 25% clearly suggests a lot of whales are actually holding towards the long position. Now if we talk about the whales, you can see whales have moved over 580 million coins. Will Dogecoin recover? I mean, this gives you perspective. The whales are doing some crazy things. Now this is one of the whale accounts which is actually the 99th largest holder of Dogecoin. They're holding on to $23 million worth of Dogecoin, while they have pretty much doubled their money just in the past little bit of time. I mean, you can see from here, May 2023, they have gone from 994th account to being the 99th account. So this account definitely knows something when it comes to Dogecoin. And if we pay attention to their trading volume, you can see that they have been purchasing since the start of the year. They have not done a single sale. This gives you perspective. A lot of whales are accumulating as the market is pushing down. And this is another whale that should give you perspective. You can see they decided to sell when the price hit the 18-cent mark, and then they did not do anything but they bought at $300,000, or I mean $300,000 worth at the 13-cent mark. Then they paid attention, and now you can see when the price did take a little bit of pullback, $1.8 million worth of Dogecoin was purchased at the 18-cent mark. So you guys should understand the whales are accumulating while the market is dipping. So at the same time, the whales are going to be selling when the market goes into the big numbers. So you do need to be a little patient, as this whale, you can see pretty pretty much selling huge amounts of Dogecoin every single day. So overall, I mean, this wallet is not even holding on to that much, but just giving you a little bit of perspective how even the whales are a little confused. Now, Doge price to rally 5,000% coming very soon. Recently, the market experienced a downturn. The total market cap has dropped by 7% in 2 days. Now that's a big amount. Doge, I mean, still held on to its price after the 10% dip, but you can see 71k to 66k for Bitcoin shows that the market did take a really strong downturn. And you can see Doge hit its new all-time high, outperforming the market sensation by so much. And at the same time, you do need to pay attention. While Doge is still trying to make a recovery, at the same time, Doge will be doing the recovery in a really short period of time. Now, if we talk about the 24 hours, you guys can see this gives you the perfect perspective how we have been just consolidating and not much has happened. And if we talk about Elon Musk, he's still talking about Doge Designer and actually retweeting his tweets. So it should give you perspective. And on Twitter, crypto crash is still trending, which is kind of insane. Now we are finally seeing signs for Doge to be going up. We're up 1.75% and now 20 cents soon. Once we get over the 20-cent mark and just use that as a support, we will be able to see the next leg forward. Just keep in mind the next leg forward is going to be such a big deal because every single time, this is how you can see the trend. After we actually, had the initial pump, which was in February to March, then we saw a little bit of downturn. When Doge went to 12 cents, then there was a little bit of uptrend, and that uptrend pushed us over the previous high. And now you can see that we have had a downturn, and you can see that this is going to be the consolidation zone, and the same thing will follow. And you know why this time it will be even a bigger deal? Well, you need to pay attention that Doge Day is so close. When I say so close, we are only 16 days away from Doge Day. If Elon decides to tweet something relating to Doge Day on the 20th of April, you guys will understand what the real pump looks like, because right now the market is moving without Elon by itself. If there is a little bit of catalyst that pushes up the market, well, it's going to go explosive very, very quickly. Now, Doge seems like the most obvious brain dead spot buy and hold play I could think of. I mean, the way the whole market is trying to push the narrative of Doge making it to $1, I personally feel like that is definitely the best buy and hold right now. Especially if you are margin trading, then you can go with whatever, but if you're going to be holding long term, Doge is a very good choice. That's all I'll say. Dogecoin Shiba Inu price prediction. What does April have in store? I mean, Doge saw a wave of selling pressure, but the bulls are still holding onto the market really well. With the 30-day MVR ratio divided into a negative territory, let's just say 15th of April is going to be the downturn or the upturn very, very soon. I mean, about 5 days before Doge Day, that's when the price starts to go explosive. So you should be getting ready for that. Other than that, I hope you guys did enjoy today's video. If you did, drop a like on it. If you're new to the channel, want to stay up to date with everything, subscribe, and I'll see you soon.